Any student of Latin will see at once that the word literature embodies the idea of things written. Taken in its broadest meaning, literature represents the sum total of all that has ever been written. In a more restricted sense, it may signify the general body of writings on some particular subject. For example, if we were asked to write a paper on television, we should first go to a library and look up the literature on the subject. In other words, our first step would be to examine what books and articles we could find dealing with television. And in a still more restricted sense, the word is often used to indicate the written materials put out to advertise special products. If we are interested in a certain make of automobile, the manufacturer will be quick to send us his literature. But the term is still again employed to designate certain writings which are neither technical treatises nor advertisements, but have in common definite characteristics that set them apart from writings in general. This is the ordinary and familiar use of the word literature, and it is the only one with which we are concerned here. When used in this way, literature is a word very difficult to define, if indeed any brief, simple definition can be given at all. That difficulty, however, need cause us no worry, for we can agree on most of the peculiar characteristics which distinguish books that are literary from those that are not, and we can thus form a sufficiently satisfactory idea of what literature is. Among the writings usually accepted as works of literature are Macbeth, Lycidas, and the Bible. They are typical of the whole class of writings to which they belong. Therefore, any definite characteristics which they possess in common will be common to the entire class, and consequently will be distinguishing characteristics of literature.